and very useful to our human applications, human usages, because starts from morning to evening, the sun will be there. Again, the evening to again early morning, we are having a dark. There actually we need a real lighting system or some other day-to-day activities. Okay, that's what we have to harness through solar for PV systems. Now you can see in this how it will be there. In a brief, you can see solar, okay, irradiance from the sun, and solar panels are the main inputs to observe as a semiconductor technology, and it will absorb as an electric current, and then that will be, we're having electronic circuits to as a charge controller take continuous energy or voltage or current and store in the batteries. To operate this one, we required one automatic circuit is called charge controller or solar charge controller. Generally we used to use that one. And this second one is the second very important component for us, we are using already in UPS, uninterrupted power supply, what we are getting electricity and storage in the battery, which is gives us continuously. That's the same type of battery we are using here, battery system. But here solar batteries are little bit different from UPS batteries because of high current and high voltage, high current will be handled in this, and size also it will be very big, and the cost of this also is change. But some of the industries requirement is AC power, because most of the machineries and appliances using in the industries are AC load. For that we required one more electronic circuits, that's called inverter, converted into DC into AC. This is what very brief about introduction about solar energy. Now we'll go for the startups. Startups is simply, the word is very simple, and startups like we know through in India started our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi sahab started Startup India. It is still actually it is available. Most of the people have seen like a Digital India, Skill India, like that. But Startup India also it is there to help the young entrepreneurs. But actually definition you can see, the first time the startups in India started our Honorable PM Narendra Modi sahab for to our young nation, because you know where India is a very young nation and a huge population of young people and qualified professionals are there in all around. Example, you can start with the engineering graduates, diploma graduates, even workforce level, workers level, ITI, industrial training institutes, and this for them the specifically starts startups. The definition you can get it is there very simple, because government or a dictionary meaning will be there. It is a entity can be identified as a startup. It is a meaning is that for young people, young India, it is a young, very young industry or a business organization, that's called actually startup, and it is working towards innovation, development, deployment, and commercialization of new products or new ideas, which processes or services driven by technology, or it's called IP, that is intellectual property. Somebody is getting an innovative idea, novel idea, to make a product which is very useful to the mankind. Example, you can take agriculture, farmers. Our most of the India covers around more than 50% or 60%. We are having populations in a rural area. That is their main business is the harvesting crops. I think for that we required a very water. Most of the area covered with rivers as well as dependent on the rains also. But there pumping system required. Solar based pump system is an example. Here, actually, we can read a startup is a young, dynamic company built on technology and innovation, wherein the founders attempt to capitalize on developing a product or a service for which they believe there is a demand from the industry, there is a demand from the public, there is a demand, requirement. Then, actually, innovation, discovery, ideas. That's what actually it is a lead to the startups to become entrepreneurs. I think in India, based on Startup India, maximum all over the each and every state covered on so many fields on startups. They are very young companies and doing very well. Now, in this specialization in solar energy, because it is almost clean and environment giving free energy to us, we have to use our idea and technology to harvest and make very useful services to the entire country and generate employment in this area. Next, we'll go to the what is entrepreneur, what is his behavior or means his uh, characters or characteristics. When we are the engineers, we used to think any one thing or a material, we will study first what are the very useful characteristics, what is the potential in that. Same way here, entrepreneur is an individual who creates a new business, bearing most of the risk and enjoying most of the rewards. You see, when business, no, the people used to think about money, earning, but equally it is having a risk because success or failure. That's what our actual dedication and our business model should be very, very perfect and continuous monitoring, and you have to get the feedback for where you want to apply this. Example, demand. Where is the demand? Because another one is very important is competitors, competency. The entrepreneur is commonly seen as an innovator, a source of new ideas, goods, services, and business, or a type of methods or procedures. That is what we can call entrepreneur. Here, the challenges are there, startup challenges. This is the main uh, the thing where we are stucking up. But here we should not be stuck up. We have to, like a hurdles, it will be there, we have to clear the hurdles. Means that much of motivation is very, very important here. One is when you are going to start, no, you are thinking where is the demand, where is the market, who are our customers. There actually market problem is one. First of all, the entrepreneur has to think and start implementing his ideas and start his very, very new and young company startups in India, especially in the field of solar energy. It is having a nowadays, it is a demand is there in India because in a globally, India is one of the member of the this solar alliances, that is international solar energy alliances, ISA. This is what actually uh, first meeting conducted in India and inaugurated by our honorable prime minister, and it is along with France, European Union, France country. There actually one of the eminent prime minister from there came and inauguration. That is the first time in India. You see, think everybody is looking towards our young India, startup India. This is the what actually solar side we got in the November 2019. This is inaugurated and a lot of scope given by our central government. Now, in that actually, another important thing is business model. See, you have to select a product. What type of products you want to select? For along with that, you have to make a business model. because business model is very important. Based on your product, the type of the model will be varies. Because you see, business means it's not like that simply I can start any business. It's not like that. Here actually a lot of opportunities is should be there. That is what actually is to called demand. And actually next is the team should, we have to make our team, because entrepreneur cannot run his ideas, his services alone. He has to make his own team along with very good staff members. Very good staff means skilled. Even start from administrative and marketing is the main, and second one is core area engineering services, and then implementation. Okay, this is what actually the management team should be. A leader is required to continuous motivation to take their startup team to the achieving and in a success way. There should not be any failure because of the communication between the teams or people inside the team is very very important, because only one goal we have to achievement in a success. Next one is at least some another because to all this okay, but equally one challenge is there, that is a money investment or requirement of funds. Yes, there is based on your business model, you can investment starts from even we may think it is like a zero money to minimum up to if you are setting up manufacturing of solar panels or solar products, or solar solution like a solar plant, minimum required is approximately 2 to 4 crores of rupees. Even I can tell investment, nothing investment also we may think, but that will come actually based on the services and what already you are having equipped in a skill sets. Okay, that is what we can call it is a zero investment, because your knowledge is the main, your degree is the main investment for that solar power. And next product based on the demand, product types is very very important. What type of services, what type of businesses you are going to do start a business, that's what product types, particular product type you have to select. Example, I can tell, I can start simply zero investment. uh, Means like means zero investment according to me is no use of machinery and manufacturing tools and all, just like a consultancy. You can run a consultancy services for solar systems. Means who are where is the potential business, means customers and and resources. This idea is enough for you. The technical person can start with as a consultancy services to the customers, or the businesses already running, or in the consultancy for the marketing, where actually raw material means materials are available and the sale you can do like a trade business. Okay, that is the one. It is only just a consultancy service, not actually investment as a shop or products or godown required for to large space like that. Okay. And next is another challenge is when you are going, you are started your startup, a new company, then focus is very very important. This is one of the challenge is called lack of focus, because continuous monitoring, because uh, I can tell you, I have to take here the one actually our competitor in the world is equal, almost it is approximately equal population is there, that is a China. That is a big challenge for us, because there is a competitor, because they are already in the business in India with a low cost, solutions they are giving. But here, what is our idea to make local to global, local market, what is the requirement, and how we can give the, with help of our central government schemes are there, with subsidy to our customers to compete with our competitor. Okay, that's what actually one of the very important focus. Where is the drawback? How to improve? How to compete? How to uh, success? That's what focus is very important in this case. Then motivation, absence of motivation. If motivation is not there, it is, will affect our entire team. One team member is means absence of motivation, then it is a big problem to link a process, because implementation is a process, continuous process. It is a motivation is one of the key role plays for our entire team. Now, and sometimes we have to come out of the box, means the new ideas, what is other competitors are there, we have to study where we are lacking with them. That's what we have to come sometimes our idea, you have to leave, come out of that, and you can make some flexibility and changes, small changes. That's what it's called, you have to come out of the box to get in there. And the next is leading the team. Yes, the leader or entrepreneur must be a leader, not a boss. Because if you are becoming a young entrepreneur, you should not be feel like a boss. You are the one of the team member, and called as leader, leading the team, because based on your decisions, your leadership, your entire team is follows you. Okay, that is very important. When you should have a second line leadership line also, that is very important. Okay, and then next, another important is challenge is, we must know about our solar energy industry. That's what knowledge about that. You must know what are the information available to start small business to a big manufacturing plant. That is there. And next one is industry contacts. Yes, without this, our end product cannot reach to the industry, and we cannot start with them. What you can call it as a raw material. That's what industry contacts is one of the main. Where are the our potential users, end users? Okay, that's what actually industry contact, because we can supply individuals or industry or organizations or semi-government or government. These are all our customers. First is, that is the main important. Without the contacts, without our information reaching to them, our services, our business is reaching to them, they may not aware about us. Okay, that is these are the main startup challenges. What actually I, based on my experience in government, I'm working. We are giving a lot of entrepreneurship trainings with help of PM UA. I think you heard about one of the schemes are there. That's entrepreneurship skills schemes are there. In that, PM UA is one of them leading. It is not only applicable engineering people, even in non-engineering, like formal education, BA, BCom, BSc, people also are coming up for this entrepreneurship skills. That is one of the things are there, PM UA. Okay, and here next we'll go for opportunities in solar energy. See, we know solar means simply we are going here. Sometimes we are thinking one small vendor. You take as a vegetable vendor who is having a lamp, LED lamp system is there, and behind that one small 1 square feet panel is there. That's a solar panel with a small stand along with the battery. You see, that is what we are calling solar lighting system. But main our focus is on street lights. Street lights, most of the case, we are public and government and corporations, and even gram panchayat also are procuring the for in different schemes about solar lights in their area. Example, city or especially smart cities, is one of the now booming area. There, it is their opportunity to make in smart cities. I think smart cities just I told you, you heard 100 smart cities already declared. Maybe nearby you also, we are having so many district headquarters and capital city of the states and all. But in that, actually, one more idea is bringing out our central government, our Honorable Prime Minister Modi government. They are making solar city. You just think about that, how much opportunity you are having. Solar city, like a smart cities, is a different because so many means electronic IoT enabled Internet of Things means enabled opportunities are there. But for that is main source of energy is not electricity board. That because small sensors to devices IoT in the smart city they want to make. That's what actually providing one of the opportunities available in your hand, in your thinking itself. And then one more in that I told about solar cities. What it is solar city? What is solar village? Means they planning and bringing out solar cities in India. Complete electricity is provided and using only solar lighting system, solar energy, solar cooking, and so many. Means that's what maximum even electric vehicles are there. That is also based on the batteries and solar. In that maximum 99% people should use solar energy as their supply to each and every. That is called solar city. That is what idea is there. But it is a very good opportunity for you people as a young entrepreneur and as a young startup business. You can do it very easily. Only you have to plan. Okay, that is what we are calling planning. And here, four are there. Like I told about solar panels with vendor using a lamp. That's what rooftop systems. See, solar panels. Most of the case we used to think the space is provided on the rooftop area. Okay, and the second one is independent system, which is having a more space in the city. You can use a solar like a gardens and public area or bus stands and railway stations. On the top of the roof, independent systems you can use separately on the ground. Another one is on grid. On grid solar generation, solar energy, solar power generation on grid and off grid. You see the two things are there. Both will benefit each other. One is on grid system. If you are using, you can provide solar energy to the public or to the electricity company, and you can earn per unit, and you may get so many benefits, monetary benefits from the electricity board. This what on grid system is there. Next, for this all, what are the requirement? Very simple is there. Requirements is the main because we don't know. We are having a lack of knowledge about to start a small business startup. What we want. One is very important is knowledge of solar energy and material. See what are the first we have to know solar energy is a very clean and very free energy from the environment. Yes, it is true, and there is a huge even means we don't know about our universe and solar system. Approximately we can tell billions of years sun is providing a lot of energy to the earth and other planets, but you can see the earth is one of the okay humankind is living so far. Knowledge of solar energy is required and materials using in that producing generation and transmission of solar energy. Okay, second one is product details. What are the solar energy product are there available? Because so many vendors are there, so many companies are there, so many international brands are there, and even Indian actually startup companies are there. Indian top 10 giant like a Tata Solar Power Energy is there, is one of the giant. Okay, it's like that we are having here. Product details of them. Example, solar water heater. Yes, see, each and every house is required. Means you think how many houses are there? How many houses are there? You can approximately take around minimum around 20 crore houses are there. 20 crore houses, you think how much actually demand is there? Just simple one product you can call a, only one product you can call a solar heater, water heater. Next, industry contact and suppliers. Yes, industry contact and suppliers to get the material and give our service, like assemble and give the solution to the demand people. That's a supplier. Okay, suppliers also very, very important for us. Otherwise, where we will get to do our idea, our innovative idea to implement as an entrepreneur. And communication and marketing skills. Yes, already we discussed this is one of the challenges, how to do marketing. That is one art. Even we're having each and every company is giving equally importance to this marketing and sales. And it's a team will be there. Entire team will be making marketing and competitive and product details and giving through their that communication approach skills to sell the products. See, this is also one of the very important uh, key skill to the person, especially entrepreneur, because he's a leader. His team is following him. Okay, that is very, very important. And communication skill is very important. You can speak local language, you can speak state-wise, or you can speak Hindi, national language, communication in Hindi, and international level must and should required. English and other languages also is very important. Then skill sets. Yes, what are the skill sets is required? Professional skills, engineering skills. Example should be technocrat. You should be studied thoroughly, complete the system and its architecture and properties of the materials using in that. That is what even including communication skills and marketing skills also is one of the impact, because so many departments will be there in your company, in your startup. And the next one is initial investment for skilled workforce, because you have to give the salary to them. And if it is trained staff, you have to train them, you have to spend some of the man hours and money to train the staff as per our project requirement, or you can hire the people for that required initial investment. Example, even office space to run our day-to-day customer services. And another one is transport. The initial investment also involved for transportation of to execute our project, solar energy project, to our customers. This is what actually the opportunities are there in the rooftop systems, independent systems. On grid, we can earn extra along with your business. And off grid, it is individual. You can give very low cost solutions. But here one question is there, to give uh, estimation like 1 kilowatts of power or 500 watts of solar power, or maybe 100 watts of power. See, this is what actually consultancy startup you can start calculations for this, and how much budget is there, how much power you can to generate, you can buy installation, you can do. Okay, that is what one of the off grid side. It can give very, very low cost and simple solutions too, and big solutions. Okay, this is what, and these are the what actually we call opportunities in solar energy. Just I given a 4, but you can see the next list will be there opportunities in manufacturing of solar panels. First one is manufacturing plant, but Manufacturing, if you want to start a plant, I told you already our competitors are there nearby to us to compete with them, and they're giving already in the field a low cost. They're giving manufacturing plant. You want to start minimum, you required 100 lakhs. Means example is 1 crore to 4 crores of rupees is required to buy the machinery and land and some other means formalities of the manufacturing plant of solar panels. Example, even you can start solar cells also, you can manufacturing using a technology. For that actually we required the huge cost of machineries. Okay, that is the one opportunity in manufacturing. But here I can tell you 100% risk is there in this, because yes, you have to each and everything you have to investment you have to do. Example, we used to see in cities, shopping malls and all, they used to put there one manufacturing company outlet. They used to write about outlet. A company is started its own shop in the to make it marketing and give actually competitive price to that. See, this is the one actually risk is there. Look, 100% risk, because your product is ready, but you have to go and sell to make a profit. That is 100% risk is there. In the first one is we can call manufacturing solar panels and its products. Next one is as another very good opportunity is distributors. You see, actually distributors will come in a different way. Even dealers also, or retail sales also. Distributors and dealers means dealership, means you can call it authorized dealers for your brand of products. And the third one is retail sales. See, these are in this if you're having little bit investment, then you can go for this, because distributors is not actually making a one product. You can use a many product, 100 products from importing or maybe local. You can distributorship, you can take dealership, you can become a dealer for the so many brands for low cost solar panels. I mean different power capacity, and you can supply to the project or consumers or industries. Okay, distributorship. And third one is you can get opportunity for sales. solar energy Solar energy products and allied services. Example, you can give solar energy products. That is called you can sales. It is very easy, because with a small investment, even you can start with 30,000 to 1 lakh rupees range. You can investment start your own solar shop. Okay, means that will be now. It's not like that. You can invest office space or your this one. Even you can make your own some extra rooms or area in your own house itself. You can start as a sales. And fourth one is you very low cost, low investments called consultancy. See there, where actually your real skills is real knowledge, and your skill sets is play an important role in consultancy services to the solar plants. And because you are the one person mediator, act as a mediator, and complete information you are giving to the your customers, your companies, your suppliers, your uh, resources. See, this much of around 360-degree, all the directions you should support to the your consultancy services to that. That's what actually technical knowledge is very important role plays in this job in this opportunities. As a consultancy, you can start a startup. Even you can start one, you can build your own team also. Okay, that is the one. And fifth one is EPC. It's called actually EPC. Actually, I written here actually engineering, procurement, and construction EPC. But here engineering services, procurement services, and construction services. Here we can provide manpower. We can provide surveying of the plant services. We can provide from the distributors or dealers or manufacturing units, procurement of the requirement for that plant. See, this is what EPC. This is the one most of the people try to do. This is the most of the companies, the business going to start in EPC area, because that is having you can do less investment without machinery plant, because everything actually ready-made available to you. Okay, that's one of the opportunity in this solar energy generation, transmission, distribution. You are having here EPC. You can select one of the very good, because as an engineering graduate, as a technical person, as a technocrat, this is the one suitable for you. Next one is, sixth one is finance, means funding to the project, funding to the consumers or end users. You can provide the finance to the installation and energy. Even he can do with the on-grid sales also. For that finance also he can give, or to convert it into extra energy. If you are giving, you can sell to that. Okay, for that extra fittings is required, extra license and resistance registrations you have to take. Means for that you need really finance support, funding that one. Okay, that is this is, but as a solar products, solar plants, solar implementation, buying and selling the energy. Okay, financing to them. See, this is like a bank, cooperative bank. Okay, cooperative credit banks are there. That is the one actually very suitable. Even each and every district we are having in the state wise, like used to call it a DCC bank. Okay, district credit cooperative banks and all. Okay, this is available in each and every state throughout our country. In this you are entering, you are actually a lot of means transactions will be there. Finance always actually finance and giving and taking with the EMI interest and all, you can earn so much of things. This is one of the opportunity for it. But for this, simply you should not be dummy person. You should be aware about solar systems. And yes, anybody is interacting with me? Anything I can speak to them, or it is just disturbance for me? No, sir.
Continue, sir. Continue. No
Okay,
problem.
okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Another opportunity is there. Operation and maintenance job opportunities. You can start with operation and maintenance. That is AMC. We used to call AMC, annual maintenance contract.
Just a minute, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, any disturbance, sir?
Now it is clear, sir. No problem.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Job, another actually opportunities to start up in the area of operation and maintenance. Example, AMC. See, most of the manufacturing companies, distributors, sales people, and even consultancy or EPC, all people will be once they installed and using that one. Okay, that is what it is there. I think, sir, it is audible, sir. Okay, and operation and maintenance. Uh, in that, we are having, we can maintain a complete the product installed solar power generation system and operations. Example, if you are having a product like a solar water heater or solar cooker, that is its operation and maintenance is one of the very good potential area of to start a business. And then repair and customer service. See, in a servicing comes under operation maintenance AMC also. But apart from that, in the field, he can visit and it is totally not working plant, not working solar product. He can do repair and replacement and give the customer services, because this is what actually fair. Yeah, everywhere a lot of opportunity is there to give a customer service, because the entire plant or partial part of the system under repair means it will stop earning. In there you can use reusing under repair small you can use to repair it, means a small quantity of money you can use repair it. Again it will be entire plant will become or product will become reuse. For otherwise what will happen, most of the customers they are not getting any service from the supplier, or then they will that product will become waste and they have to invest again. For that, at least you can 25% or 20% the entire plant will become the to use for that, and the customer service is lacking everywhere. Okay, that is what actually even because of customer service is not giving properly, and our one of the biggest challenge is hurdle is also is one of that. Okay, that is a customer service is a very good area, because you can go and visit the site and see the product and what is the low cost repair or replacement. This type of service we required really the workforce. Your staff should be trained, because that is a hands-on practice job, because they should have a hands should be skilled one, because they are touching means they know very easily and replace and repair it and they give actually customer satisfaction, because most of the product will be there under warranty, maybe 1 year warranty or 2 years warranty or 3 years warranty. But our solar product is not like that. It will come up to maximum 15 years to 25 years of life is to be there. See that how much opportunity is there in this area, customer service, because it's not actually 1 year 2 year you can throw the product. Okay, each and everything will get under AMC or repair or replace of the small not working part, and up to 25 years. You think how much opportunity is there in this business? Customer service, simple customer service. Okay, and then the next one is ninth one is R&D, research and development, because to get the enhancement of its performance as well as low cost and with the high yield, means more energy to receive from the sun, because the sun only we are thinking morning to evening sometimes based on the location. Our India is best placed actually located place for solar business. Okay, solar energy business, and research and development will improve their old product. You can give a better solution with a low cost, as well as low cost is very important here, because of low cost is there, most of the people will choose our brand. Okay, everybody will behind our brand. How actually we are Now our competitor, how we have to compete, that is the only one key is there. That's a low cost solution. In that, R&D is very, very important, because when raw material is a low cost, then automatically our product also will become low cost. And that's what our most of the customers, people are required extra customer service in that. Okay, that's what quality product. It is a perfect product. That is only possible doing R&D. This will boost our entire solar system ecosystem for that. Because who are all involved doing the business in that, no? And that will be R&D will have the back support to them. You can change the product, change the size, and you can increase the energy generation performance of the solar panels and remaining systems. Next, 10th one you can see. I told you already about our India is having more than 50%, around 60% of rural area and hill area, forest area. There actually we can start the take lands on rent or lending basis, open space, or there you can start solar farming. Solar farm we used to call it. The acres of land to 10 acres of land, it will be idle stone area. You cannot do actually agriculture there, because lack of facility for water and harvesting of agriculture. There you can choose very low cost rent of land, farmers land. You can make your entire on grid based solar plant. That's called a solar farm. From here actually lot of earning will be there, because you see new and renewable energy is there. In that, solar is the one. Other we are having a hydropower. Another one is we're having a biofuels, and wind energy is more than our solar, because wind energy, windmills are also is one of the renewable energy. Okay, comparing that, the solar farming also is one of the opportunities to start a company or business. You can sell our energy to the cities, especially street lights. You can start with the land in farming land, rural area. You can transmit to the city area, and you will get a lot of energy you can sell. Okay, this is only solar farming. Again, transmission distribution will be other part, like electricity boards of the state government or private companies. Okay, and next 11th one is very good opportunity to make a manpower, because manpower is the employment opportunities also is one, to make a workforce in all levels in solar energy. Generation of solar power is a training area. You can become the trainer. You can start your training institutes. See, government is giving nowadays so much of schemes on skill India, like a startup India, digital India is there, no? Same like a skill India is there. You can start along with the Ministry of Skill Development, or we are having a National Institute of Solar Energy under MNRE, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Okay, that is the what we are calling training institutes. You can start, you can make workforce to the companies, because without workers, company cannot perform well. The skilled workers are required in all levels, including helper job. So many job roles are there. Based on that job roles, like a supervisor, helper, and solar construction assistant, and solar engineer. So solar engineer will come in mechanical and civil engineering for construction, surveying of the land, and electrical and electronics. Even sometimes monitoring purpose, software apps also is required. Even computer science IT field also can support remote monitoring of the solar energy. Means there different types of training courses you can run, make a workforce. Example one is to start self-employment. Self-employment means they start their own and in a service areas as a service side and design side also. Apart from this, designing, it's a engineers level job roles. The designing is one of the training area is very big opportunity for engineers. See, he can design entire plant. His team should, I told you, his team should be consist of mechanical engineers. He should become civil engineers and especially triple E engineers are the main in this training side because they see they have to design and then means what actually another one is there because it is based on your ideas, your innovative ideas, what demand is there. That's what we used to call here conferences, workshops and seminars. See, because to make awareness of the public is very important. The demand where it is there, no, we have to give the knowledge information to them. See, actually so far actually people are not aware what is the solar, why I have to buy the solar and which product I have to buy the solar, and means who are all the people will get opportunities. This and all you can give through workshops and design ideas and all you can arrange for conferences. That itself is a one type of business. And another one is seminars because in this 12th one is two ways are there. One is you can earn a business, you can give the service to the companies, one, and second one is the you can bring the exhibitions also like a conference is what I'm telling, exhibitions, because what are the latest solar products are there, like solar heater, water heater is there, and another important solar cooker is there. See what are the products are available in the awareness is very important. Even exhibitions and events you can conduct for bringing all together under one roof. Okay, that's called it is one type of event management business. Also it is very simple. Only you required complete products bringing means how much the people will visit this complete exhibition event management in state level, national level, even international level also you can do along with CII is there. CII, because your industry, one of the member of that, no? Confederation of Indian Industry, CII. It is one of the supportive to the exhibitions like international, along with the Ministry of central government and state government ministries like renewable energy and its departments can sponsor with a particular. It is similar to like exhibition center, no? It is one of the marketing strategy. It's a marketing strategy. Most of people will come together and you can make information to reach end users as well as the business who are young companies also can get benefit from the big giants in the solar energy. Example, Tata Solar is there. That is the one. You can see here. Next slide is the government of India. We are having a Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. That's what one of the thing is there in the training side. National Institute of Solar Energy. From this MNRI having so many other institutes also. In wind energy is there, like Solar Energy Institute is there, no? Like National Institute of Wind Energy also is there. These people are running lot of short-term courses are running. Example, one of the most popular all under PMKUI, and so many engineering colleges are set up. Even ITA is also having means MOU with that. That's called Surya Mitra. I think everybody knows. Surya Mitra was one of the popular, even it is a 3 months course, short-term courses, or 6 months course, different means job role suitable, having a lot of short-term courses under this. You can go and nisc.in. In this website, you can go and browse. You will get a complete list of calendar, and also what are the places they are running. Already institutes are there throughout India. Each and every state government, each and every engineering college, in minimum 4 to 5 engineering colleges are set up this Surya Mitra under NISC. Okay, similarly, this is applicable for wind energy also. Next, this is what actually I wanted to show you, the opportunities, because you are starting very small young company startup, and where the work order, where you can approach, these are the big people in India. See, so many world leaders are there in this solar energy, because before Indian country starting, so many are there other. See, this is the one actually I want to give very small brief information about this. You can go and browse, and you will get a lot of information on Tata Power Solar System Limited. This is one of the big giant in solar energy. See how much, what are the, just you can start consultancy or sales of these products. That is enough for you. This is one of the opportunity. Another one is wherever solar power is supplied to the hotels, organizations, and big complexes, and shopping malls, and their customers in industries, there you can go and approach for consultancy, sales of their product. That is enough to become a dealer, distributorship. Okay, that is the one opportunity. Next one is Vikram Solar Private Limited. See, our Indian giants are there. Vikram Solar Private Limited. This is the one of the big and progressive company in this. Similarly, MV Group and Wari Energies Limited. These are the given in order as per their revenue in terms of crores per annum. See how it is there. And Moser Bear, we used to heard about Moser Bear, about CD, DVDs and all in computer products. But now you can see here, Moser Bear Solar Group is there. See opportunities how it is there. They changed the business in a different, because a new. And why not you people? Because you know complete knowledge and practical skills about electrical engineering, power systems, and power products. Next one is WebSol Energy Systems Limited. Next, Photon Energy Systems Limited, and Select Energy Systems Limited, and Surana Ventures Limited, and Premier Solar Systems Private Limited. See, these are the just where list is there. Will be thousands of companies are available, but these are the top the main market players in solar. And see what type of opportunity you can get. Not only you should not seek employment, you have to generate employment. You have to give the employment generator, okay, generation of employment to the young people or your colleagues, your seniors who are having a very good skills. You can hire them and then start your own. See, I given a list of the opportunities are there, business opportunities. Similarly, the supporting the big giants are there in India. Okay, next you can see the list of top 15 solar energy startups. Yes, this is very important. Really, this will motivate to you. This is very, very small, means short period, they become the key role players in India to generate solar energy services, as well as earning a lot to our country like India. See, these are every state it is having. They're having so many branches also. Through so many states, they're having different branches also. Like you see, Renew Power is a Gurugram based clean tech startup. New Power. See, I hear clean tech is there. Clean tech, one company is there. It is international Asian company. It is a Singapore based company headquarters, Asian company. Clean tech is having a lot of branches in India, and actually collaboration with Indian people, and they started here branch. That's a clean tech I'm telling about you. Okay, these are the people they used here by Sumant Sinha, a former investment banker. You can see the startup, how they started. And their profile also you can go online. Okay, that's very important for you. The Clean Max Solar, Mumbai based company, solar energy company. You can see Sushant Arora, Kuldeep Jain, and Andrew Hines. In the year of 2011, they started. See, it is very, very 8 years 8 to 9 years old companies are there. This is another is Azure Power. Yes, Azure. We heard the name of the Azure when Amazon, but here we are having Azure Power, a new Delhi-based clean energy startup. Azure Power was founded by Inderpreet Wadhwa in 2008. See the young entrepreneurs are here with us. These are all your actually seniors. Fourth partner energy. See the Hyderabad-based clean tech startup Fourth Partner Energy was founded by Saib Dorjiwala, Vikas Saluguti, and Vivek Subramaniam in the year of 2010. You can see how the Hyderabad, you are very nearby, your senior brothers are started. See the teamwork. You can see the first team building, teamwork. How they come, like-minded people are coming to start a business and providing employment to the young engineers. Now, Signi Energy, another Hyderabad-based solar energy startup, Signi Energy was founded in the 2015. It's very, very young startup. Okay. Next, you can see My Sun, Noida-based online rooftop solar startup. See, this is having the particular product is there. That's what a rooftop solar product. That's what I told you the opportunities. And the people you can see Gagan Vermani and Gyan Prakash Tiwari in the year of 2015. See how they come up. See the dare step to start a startup. See the knowledge they are having about the solar. That is, you see, rooftop solar startup. The see, this is rooftop solar product is solution is one of the popular throughout the world because every customer can wish to do on their terrace or small house or small hut. This is rooftop. Okay, that is the reason. See the how they made it. Okay, now next one is you can see Orb Energy, another company, the founded by Damian Miller and NP Ramesh in year 2006 with its headquarters in Bengaluru. See, in the South India, Karnataka is one of the key role in solar energy like Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is having so many are there list. I just gone to our MNRI. I told you, no, Ministry of New and Renew and that is solar energy is there, MNRI. This ministry having a list of state-wise. In Andhra Pradesh, you can see how many state government and private public partnership along with the government schemes they are implemented in terms of megawatts. It's not a kilowatts. In terms of megawatts, projects are there to in that under each and every state. Like I told, one of the Bangalore-based company, even interior part of Karnataka also, like Bijapur, Belgaum, and so many forest areas they started already with help of forest department. Means forest department, state government is giving the more space to them, especially hill area. Next, Claro Energy, a Delhi-based company, solar pumping solution provider. See, this is another product you got it. What you can like a rooftop solar startup. The product-based company is not a solution. It is a product pumping solution. Solar-based pumping system. Because I told you already, our fellow brothers from rural area, farmers. Yes, it is even electricity boards are failure sometimes, under maintenance, are failure to provide power to them, because thermal power plants are there in India, hydropower plants are there. This is not sufficient, but farmers are giving food to us. For them, the solution is their solar pumping solution. See, there is no power, then there is a Claro energy is coming to help of the low cost, low cost to the pumping station to the farmers. You see, these are the people founded by Karthik Wahi, Soumitra Mishra, and Gaurav Kumar. In the year of 2011, you can see very nearby. Then Urja we heard, means lot of products are there under this brand. But you see here, very interesting things are there for you. Mumbai-based rooftop solar startup Urja Clean Tech, founded by IIT. You can see now, IIT Bombay alumni Roli Gupta and another his friend Gautam Das in the November 2014. See the how you can get the complete details, their success story also. Means so many YouTubes are available, success story of these people, IIT Bombay alumni Roli Gupta and Gautam Das in November they started there. See, like that, it will be motivate to you to start, because you are having a lot of energy to start solar energy businesses, because you are very young. And another one is you can achieve, you can win the world, you can win the business. Okay, that's what actually you are having lot of opportunities. Only you have to make your mindset, you have to change. Yes, I have to provide, generate employment in solar energy. Orion Solar, Mumbai-based clean tech startup Orion Solar was founded by Sachin Jain, Samir Saha, and Yashwant Rao in the year of 2015. Next, you can see another that is five companies. 8 minutes, Delhi-based company. Delhi-based company clean energy startup was this by Aurora, Anuja Gupta, and Arjun Srihari in 2015. See, your senior friends are started recently, just 4 years old company, just like that. New Solar Energy, Hyderabad-based another company is New Solar Energy was founded. Another IIT graduate. Why not you? IIT graduate Himanshu Popuri in 2011. You see, another is India Go Solar, Delhi-based, New Delhi-based company, solar e-commerce marketplace. See, this is a different type of business. You can see he taught e-commerce marketplace. See, actually, e-commerce marketplace is a IT-based company, but it is for solar. Solar 91, a Rajasthan Jaipur-based clean tech startup, Solar 91 was founded by Sandeep Gurnani, Pratik Agarwal, Saurabh Vyas, and Dhaval Paswada. In the year of 2015, the last you can see on energy, Solar, Kolkata-based end-to-end solution provider, founded by Piyush Jhaju and Vinay Jhaju in the year of. See, the team you can see, team how they made. This is what actually you people has to think. These are the total I shown you, list of top 15 solar energy startups. This is for you, should be role model as per your business idea. Next, you can see Government of India, Minister of Skill Development, what it is giving to you. Yes, workforce for your company, it is a workforce. That is ITIs. We're having a solar technician 1 year course is there. And central government in the, they are started in National Skills Training Institutes all over India, solar technician course, 1 year course. It is designed by our DGT. It's called Directorate General of Training. Okay, skill development. It's a new age course. You see, even in engineering, in Amity University, UP, only is having engineering engineering course, 4 year course is there. Another one is in another branch is there, UAE, that is having. Okay, that is another. But diploma level, there is no solar course. Degree level, there is no solar course. But in ITI level, for workforce, workers, helpers, assistants, this having a solar technician course is there. Yes, that is under DST. DST means it is actually dual system of training. Dual system of training, collaboration with on-job training in the solar power plants and solar industries. Okay, that is comes under CTS, that craftsman training schemes for industrial workers. Another one is there, ATS in solar industry. There is apprenticeship schemes are there. You can also, like a graduate, you can start, you can get an apprenticeship training in solar industries by board of apprenticeship training board, Mumbai, Chennai, and Delhi based. Our central government autonomous bodies are under Ministry of HRD. Okay, that is apprenticeship scanning. There you can under lot of short-term courses running by Skill India. That is with NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation, under that is SGJ. Okay, I'll show you the job upon green jobs, the skills sector, green jobs. I'll show you that one also. Next, another one is training of trainers. You see, to make a workforce, training of trainers is the one of the important role in training side, because somebody should make the all this type of energy solutions, and there should be workforce is required. For them, masters are required, master training, like teachers training in the solar area. Okay, that's what actually our skill development ministry is doing with help of ITIs and NSTIs in India. And another one is entrepreneurship development programs in NSTIs to inspire the Gene aspirants for making the more number of startups through PM UA. Actually, I told this is very important. You can go through the PM UA, each and every state, each and every district who are having a link to this. You can consult district administrators, like means district collectors, and they're having a scheme is there. That PM UA scheme is a free training to start up, because see, you don't know how to start up, how to start and all. But PM UA, one of the scheme, entrepreneurship development program, it is giving you training first, how to start a company, and means finance supporters are there for you. I mean, initial investment. So that's what I'm telling here, zero investment from your side, because some of the companies are coming forward to give in this scheme. PM UA is one of the entrepreneurship development in India. It's very successful. Okay, we are the one of the actually partners for that. We are conducting some programs on entrepreneurship development in NSTI Hyderabad. Okay, that is the one. Next, another actually Government of India in Skill Development Ministry, we are having SSC skill. That is what I told here, Skill Council of Green Jobs. See, in this, you can go, you are having a lot of job roles, because in each and every job role, you can start a startup, a business for that. Okay, that's what actually this is Skill Council of Green Jobs. Green jobs means solar, wind, and means water, wastewater, waste product, wastewater. With help of that, you can generate the this one. Next, NSQF level qualifications are there to get workforce. That's called National Skills Qualification Framework. Okay, that is even helper level jobs are there, and technician level are there, and servicing level, and supervisory level, engineer level, and managers administrative level also is available here. NSQF level 1 to 10. Okay, you can go through that. Again, if you go in solar side, what are the training side, you will get national qualification register is there. You can browse NQR website, you will get the solar side. This one is, and these are actually the references we made. MNRE, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. That's what National Institute of Solar Energy, and we're having a national skill training institutes are there, and 15,500 ITIs are there to get workforce employment to start up a business. Then NSDC is there, National Skill Development Corporation. It is one of what I told you here. Means previous slide you can see green jobs, skill council for green jobs. That's what actually NSDC is the one of the 40 sectors that is used for NSQF framework, and it is all international standard. It's called actually European Union International Standard. If anybody under NSQF qualification certification is there, that will be globally recognized qualification to get the job. Okay, that is it. But here startups are, you can take the workforce from this training side, the workforce you can get for your startups. Means no need to give any this advertise we want skilled people. Just you go and approach that Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Each and every state we are having the institute that is called regional directorate of skill development and entrepreneurship. Each and every state we are having this. Even in Andhra Pradesh we are having Vijayawada, and we are having Visakhapatnam is extension counter is there. That's called RDSD. Will help you in this. Okay, this is what we are having. Thank you very much. If any queries are there, that is very, I want to give more time on this. Please.
Participant, any query in there? Hello. Anybody else want things to continue the entrepreneurship during summer or during can guide you properly? Hello. Hello, my dear students. If anybody else want to do the entrepreneurship, so during the summer times or winter times, you can ask how to enter that one, sir. So, sir will clarify your doubt. He will guide you properly. Anybody else? Anyway, no problems. Sir has already given the website. You can go through that one, sir. Any doubt, any times you need means you can contact him, so that only he will guide you properly. Okay.
Here actually it is there, sir. Is there Dipendra, Dipendra Prasad Yadav? Sir, this is there is any way to do internship in your company? I can tell yes. Yes, Dipendra Prasad, you are listening. Yes, it is internship is possible in solar companies. You help you required, you can contact through our actually Pramod Gowda sir. I will give the contacts and I will touch with you. I will help you all people for internship.
Thank you, sir.
And here actually very good question, Avinash. Sir, what will be the first step to start a startup? Yes, I told you this is what you are in the after completion of your graduation. First step is your idea. First step is your idea, and you are already having some idea. You are having already idea. Just you attend any one training program. It's a free. I'm telling. PM UA entrepreneurship. PM UA is the one of the. It is having all over India, each and every state, each and district headquarters. If you want, I will give you the Hyderabad link also, address completely to connect, and they will come to. I already discussed about this last year, I think, before COVID-19 March lockdown. I told sir, PM UA, they will come to your college. They will give free training, sir. It is a government of India to boost the young entrepreneurs and to start help the startups in solar energy or any other. Sir, they are giving and training for 15 days, sir. That to how no. First, actually, seminar will be there. 1 day seminar is there, and they in that seminar they will select who are all, because they are having a selection means procedure is there, and they will select and give the 15 days training for these people. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Avinash, and sir, another person is there, Satyaraj. Sir, regarding Satyaraj is asking about internship. Yes, sir, we can provide, sir. Because we are having so many solar companies are there who are involved in training and internship. Actually, that is required from your college side, and you can do it, sir. And here, Ramoji, Mr. Ramoji, sir, is the government give any financial support? Yes, government only has to give, and who will come private to you people? Government only giving. The schemes are available for giving a startup. I'll tell you, Startup India, one website is there. Startup India website is there. From there, you can get the complete address details about this. Okay, please. Mr. Ramoji, this is for you. Financial support from Startup India. Okay, website is there. Please go through.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, myself, Ashok, Assistant Professor, Triple Department, IITM College, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, nice to meet you, sir. Please.
Sir, actually, what are the things that we should be considered while we want to do a solar plant?
Solar plant, sir.
What are the major factors that we should consider?
Sir, it is
mini solar plants.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is a technical. It is very good. I am also a technical person. We are actually running here 2 kilowatts of plant for training the people, and I made it 1 kilowatts of means. Sir, first you see, sir, our you told actually mini plant. Yes, it is used for that. First, you have to calculate your load, and then based on the solar panels. That is what we can call solar panel will give the how much power it can give, and then the battery for that. Battery storage, because it is a design now. It is a design issue. For a mini solar plant, you want to start in your lab or college or in your own house. Okay, first one is the calculations. What is the load, and then solar panel you can select suitable for that because different types of technology used to manufacture solar cells. Okay, that is the one, and battery is the one storage, and remaining you are getting only one thing is if you are having AC load and inverter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, inverter is also additional. one. Otherwise, if you are having straight like LED lamps applications or street lamps in your compound, means only lighting system is there, it will be very easy, very low cost on DC only, because charge controller circuits will be there to distribute different types of means DC outputs.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Tell me,
sir,
sir.
one more thing, sir. Are we have any DC loads with low price in our market?
Yes, available. Low price. Even I can tell you approximately entire product you may get approximately 5,000 rupees.
5,000 rupees, sir.
5,000 rupees you will get the solution, because market is available only for, I'm telling for DC. I'm telling for DC applications, DC loader. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, yes.
If you have any doubts regarding this session, you can raise your hands. Based on that, sir will give you the clarification to you.
Sir, here one more question is there, sir. Mr. I think Dilip asking, good afternoon, sir. Is there any workshop for making own solar cell? Own solar cell, it is at present in our it is not there, but some of the companies are doing their own solar cell in India. Okay, but there is a workshop. Actually, I have to find out and I'll inform you, because it is regarding raw material for solar cell. Okay, the product is solar cell. Okay, it's not solution. Solar, it is very means a good question, because if you are interested to manufacture a solar cell, it will be wonderful, because very less people are there in India in this. Okay, regarding workshop or seminar or training, okay, let me know you. I will help you. I will give the information to the Gowda sir. Okay, he will convey you, Mr. Dilip. Next, sir, what will be the outcome in the next 10 years in solar project, sir? Is asking. Yes. Now, see, I told you so many applications like a smart city and solar city and agriculture. You see the agriculture field. Apart from means factories, solar generation, and especially generation of solar energy like wind energy and selling. And next 10 years, it is really crucial time in solar technology. That too in India, because a lot of requirement is there, because smart cities, IoT side. Actually, I'll tell you one thing. Airports in India, in Hyderabad, GMR company is there. GMR company first introduced IoT enabled, okay, IoT enabled smart trolleys in airports to support the customers. There actually solar power is main, this one, solar power. Solar power is required to work IoT enabled smart trolleys in airports. Yes, this is a one more actually opportunity. We started with Hyderabad International Airport from GMR company, and it will spread, I think, almost all airports in India. Okay, thank you very much. It is very good question you asked. And next, what is the question, sir? What are the requirements we should satisfy by the government for funding us? Yes, you have to give your report about your business. Okay, that is the one, because one format will be there to give a report to submitting to them for funding purpose, and then that is the only you have to satisfy the government. Yes, here one question Dilip is asking, why solar power not used in traction? Yes, because in tractions, most of the case using three three-phase power supplies they are using, and high current they are using. But here solar power required possible to do three-phase also, but a huge investment is there to generate high current and three-phase power supply for traction. Right? That is the one. Next, yes, sir, this is the right time to youth to develop. Avinash is telling develop solar. Very happy to have here with us. Thank you very much, Avinash. Thank you very much. And Dilip is asking, what are the drawbacks? Yes, see, you can already I discussed about challenges. The challenges slide is there, no? The challenges are the drawbacks in this example. Team should be one goal. Okay, there should not be team should not break motivation and achieving success. Okay, these are the actually drawbacks are there. Another one is as you told, money also is one of the means investment is also one of the drawback, but you can go for low cost business, low cost startup you can start. Next, Avinash is asking, Dilip wants to speak, but I don't know how to the communication. You can speak. You can take my phone number also. You can speak to me. Okay, it's not a problem. Then what will be your suggestions for upcoming entrepreneurs? Yes. Now this is after COVID-19 situation. Now you will leave the world. It will be there because that is not related. It's not affect us. But now here, India, it's a very big country because of lockdown. Means lot of startup companies are not able to earn last 7-8 months because of that, and most of the workforce and migration is migrated. People are all left the industries. Yes, here the entrepreneurs should after COVID-19, you have to plan for that. Mainly, the startup is very demand is there. Keeping reference in the COVID-19 coronavirus, and where is the demand is there, you have to create a new job role and a new service and a new startup, new idea you can give, especially for this. Okay, Vinash. Next, A. Mahindra. Why the solar power is not used in DRDO for using drones in security purposes? It is already using, but it is a DRDO. We know very well it is a scientific organizations. We are having 5 DRDO labs in Hyderabad. I visited actually recently. They are having a separate solar power, solar energy department is there in DRDO, and they are using. But this is a security issue. In open forum, we cannot disclose most of their projects. It is using already. I visited already. I know. Yes, Mahindra. Because solar power is low. It is for strategic electronics product in defense. Solar power is there. Yes. Nice, sir. Okay, very good interaction session, sir. So many people are put in a chat group. Very nice. Okay, anybody? Sir, Avinash is asking here. Sir, I am a triple E student. Do we need to have any other specializations to start the solar harvesting? Yes, you are specialization. Any other specialization means that's what you can undergo at least some important means sessions like solar energy, especially Surya Mitra. Because see, triple E student means actually electricity and electrician, or okay, means electrical engineer. You need to know specialization of solar energy. Means practically, okay, I'm telling you that practically you have to involve. Okay, you have to involve in that in-depth actually technical things you must know. Okay, that is required for you, that solar energy or Surya Mitra 3 months course you can attend. This all actually value added to you. See, any other specialization like in solar field, it is value added to your business. But not only because you can generate employment, because opportunities are there. Means I told you, no, so many opportunities are there in this. It is upcoming technology in India, I'm telling here, because solar is very old, but the usage now only started. Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, Dilip student is raising some questions. He
Yes.
want to talk with you, sir.
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Dilip.
Sir, actually, what are the drawbacks in the startups when it comes to solar use used for various applications? Actually, solar electricity is a major need for any work. Most we have in contact with us with using the electricity is the main concept. But what are the drawbacks and uses to end the works? For example, traction or robotics or in flywheels. I mean, flywheels means
I know
airways.
flywheels. I know flywheels. I know. Yes.
Yes, sir. What about that particular thing? Startup means there is so many problems in today's around the world. But when everything can be solved using the electricity only major thing.
Yes.
That's why.
Yes. Power supply is required.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I'll tell you. Actually, it is based on the business. So many are there, but one actually common drawback I can tell you, marketing. Because
how can we get a good marketing from the rural area? Even if we are in well cities, means there is no problem for marketing. Even when you're in a rural area, how can we develop a good marketing?
Yes. In rural area, you can take any product. It is possible because of actually electricity power supply for all their uses in farmers or rural people. Unless people is very limited. Now in there, you have to give your product, means marketing means complete information to them, and another one is competitive price. Marketing means complete information to you, because I came across my junior fellows are there already started some startup street light startup in Dharwad, which in Karnataka. But their actually drawback is what? No, nobody knows their product, because everybody knows about the shop. They will go and buy low cost, okay, price wise. And then here he's not his team, he's not able to, as an entrepreneur, he's not able to take his product to the people. Okay, these are the two actually drawbacks, common drawbacks you can find with that. One is the lack of information about your product and usage and its quality and its reliability. Another one is price, competitive price. Okay, these are the main hurdles and drawbacks will come when you are startup. You have to focus on this. Okay, Mr. Avinash. Okay, Mr. Dilip. Yes, sir. Sir. Yes, sir. Please speak, sir.
So I think everyone raised their questions.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, actually, yes, sir. Okay, please speak, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir. Sir, please speak.
Yes, sir. Audible. Tell me, sir. Most of the students is completed, sir, their doubt. But whenever they want anything to contact with you, so I'll contact through mails and over phone.
Please, sir.
So we'll
Please,
help
sir.
them definitely.
Yes,
Not
sir.
only
Yes,
for
sir,
the
definitely.
project, but also entrepreneurship. Anybody need anything means we can communicate with you. So
Yes, please,
we need
sir.
your help, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. So
Okay,
definitely, sir. Our young people, I am here is there to support, sir.
That's why I need your help to actually to continue the entrepreneurship in your that NSTI, or
Yes, sir.
here also NSTI is there in our Vijayawada in
Yes,
MP
sir.
also. So
Yes, sir.
you need your help to take the certain course or any project, any promoter with here. You should let me know.
Yeah, okay, sir. Okay.
Myself, G. Ashok, Assistant Professor, Preparatory Department, Aditya Institute of Technology and Management. On behalf of our Institution's Innovation Council and Aditya Institute of Technology and Management and our department, I would like to thank to our resource person, come speaker, NP Banni sir, for sharing his knowledge to our students and for spending valuable time to us. And I would like to thank our director sir for his support, and I would like to thank to our principal sir and ISMI coordinator Aditya Institute of Technology and Management, Dr. Satish garu. I would like to thank to our HOD Dr. Vijay Kumar garu for his all support to make this event as a grand success. Last but not least, I would like to thank to all the student participants and faculty participants. And thank you one and all. The members who have supported us directly and indirectly to make this event as a grand success. Thank you. Thank you one and all.
Okay, sir. Sir, thank you very much, sir. Everybody, thank you very much.
Thank you.